Drawing on more than 50 years of proud heritage, the GR Supra embodies our purest driving experience to date, epitomizing the ultimate in driving pleasure. The design of the GR Supra seamlessly integrates motorsport aerodynamics with a modern and dynamic aesthetic. Featuring a long, sweeping bonnet and a compact body, the GR Supra's lineage can be traced back to the iconic sports cars of the 1960s. The GR Supra has become a legend among sports car fans, moviegoers, and gamers, solidifying its place in popular automotive culture over the past 4 decades. Its lineage traces back to the 1960s and the iconic Toyota 2000 GT, which laid the foundation for its enduring legacy. The GR Supra's engine lineup features both a 2.0-litre inline 4-cylinder and a 3.0-litre inline-6 cylinder, offering an unparalleled driving experience. Inspired by the layout of single-seater racing cars, the interior of the GR Supra positions you at the heart of the action. Situated around the responsive 3-spoke steering wheel, a head-up display asterisk and dual dials seamlessly integrate to provide essential information exactly when you need it. When a sports car performs at this level, safety becomes paramount. The GR Supra range is equipped with Toyota Supra Safety Plus to enhance safety for you and those around you. The blind spot monitor uses radar sensors to watch the driver's blind spot for other vehicles. It warns the driver by activating an indicator in the door mirror when the turn signal is used. This system integrates both camera and radar technologies to identify cyclists, vehicles, and pedestrians, especially in low light conditions. It issues audio and visual alerts when a potential collision is detected. If the driver doesn't respond or apply sufficient braking force, the system can autonomously intervene to prevent a collision. The GR Supra is racing inspired, inside and out, to give you the best drive. Take a spin with GR Supra.